Ah!
Welcome to Jack's Play.
Whoa, what's this here, Jack? What could it be? There's a giant present, and is it in a dump truck? Wow.
Dump it out. Let's go.
Okay, kids, we pulled it out.
Yay.
What are we gonna do with it?
I'll rip it.
Let's rip it and find out what's in here. Jack, rip it. What could it be? What is it? What is it?
It's a ride-on backhoe.
A ride-on backhoe. Sweet. All right, we're gonna pull everything out. I don't know if we'll dump it. We don't want to break anything. Go in there, Jack.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's going deep into the tunnel, kids.
Hand me the stuff. All right. Here it is. Ooh, let's see. Look at this. We're done.
Wow, look at that. It's a backhoe. Go, Jackie, go. Pedal, yeah. Good pedaling, Jack. Go, Jackie, go. Can you make it up the ramp? Almost, not quite. Use your feet. There goes Ruth. Look at that. It's got a shovel in the front, shovel in the back. Whoa! It's riding by itself.
Put the stabilizer down.
All right, let's see the stabilizer, Jack. Yeah, you've got to put the stabilizer. That's right, keep pushing it. It's almost there. There you go, nice. Let's see some digging action. Whoa, Jack, check that out.
See what happens.
So you move those red things? Yep. That went down. Look at the shovel, kids. There you go. See how that dumps?
Okay, move that truck over here.
Scooping in the earth. Scooping in the earth. Can it dump? Show us how it... Oh. What kind of job are you doing here, Jack?
I'm cleaning up some leaves.
Oh, cool. Your tires are cracking the gravel? Oh. All right, putting the stabilizer down. Nice work, Jack.
Molly, May, do you want to dig a hole?
I think she does. Look, she's digging. Look, she's digging, Jack. Ah! Yeah, we're at the park we call Rabbit Park, just digging away.
I'm digging really do the stupid one. I need to come a little bit forward. And back to me. And then I try.
All right, everyone. Jack's going to keep digging here for a while, so we're going to let you go. Jack, what do you want to say to the kids?
My kids are going to stuff.
And do what, Jack?
Dig.
And dig. Okay, bye-bye.